You know the story about the scorpion and the frog.
Morning everyone. This is day 1, day 2, this is day 4. I mean, we rode up Wednesday, you know, so that was technically day 1, although I didn't start filming until what I would call day 2, which would be Thursday, because no one wants to film the motorway and the weather was a bit naff. But yeah, we're starting Saturday morning and just look, it's meant to rain, it's meant to drizzle, meant to be foggy, but I'm thinking we're going to be hopefully missing the rain. I've not put my waterproofs on. I'm risking it and being a bad boy, some might say, some might not say, because it's not really that bad, is it? But the conditions just look amazing today, so I'm hoping we're going to start getting nice clear weather and we can start enjoying some of these amazing views. We've just finished, just left Bae Lodge. Nice place. The only criticism I would give it is I think the dishwasher needs a bit of a clean. Everything kind of smelled like, you know, like that wet dog smell. But apart from that, everything was great. So yeah, we're on our way to Ullapool. Get some fuel and then head up to Durness. And then maybe have dinner, definitely have a brew, then on we go to Groats. It's like from here to Durness it's like two hours just over, and then from Groats it's like another 2 hours. But I mean, it's not that much riding today technically. It's only, at maximum it'll be 5 hours if we don't, you know, well, should be 4 but it might be a little bit more. But yeah, let's just see how the day unfolds. In much better spirits this morning. Like yesterday, I just went to get back to the lodge. I was wet, I was cold, the wind was just unreal. I mean, the day started off great, we was having such an adventure, but then, you know, we were getting hangry. So I went to bed super early last night. I think it was about 7:30, and I slept through till about 3, woke up for a piss, went back to bed, woke up again at about 7. So I must have needed it. I don't ever sleep for 12 hours. But all this riding, the wet weather, everything yesterday was just, you know, not going with us. But times are changing and we are heading north. Hopefully it's going to be better weather from now on. It's meant to be absolute torrential in certain parts, but I kind of hope we avoid that. So for the last 40 minutes, 50 minutes from Ullapool to basically about 5 minutes ago, we were just in torrential rain. Like, the waterproofs are on now. I mean, as waterproof as things are, you'll get to a certain point and things will just get in. And that's exactly, I mean, they're only a thin thing anyway, but I can feel my nuts are wet. My hands are soaking and freezing. We're about, what's that say, 49 minutes from Durness. So I'm thinking that's the next stop, and we'll probably get there by 11 o'clock at latest. And we're just going to get wrapped up warm. Get wrapped up, get warm, get a brew, try and dry off a little bit. Because, oh god, I mean, it looked like it's cleared now. I hope it has. It's just awful. Anyway. So we're like 20 minutes away from Durness now. Still freezing. The weather's holding, well, it's starting to get a little bit spitty at the minute. But yeah, I'm hoping we're gonna find warmth soon, because I am frozen. And I hope the weather holds, because it'd just be nice. It's pissed down every bloody day. It just, you know, it'd just be nice to have some good weather for it. I mean, we've had patches of good weather, but it's rained the majority of the time. Which obviously, when you're on the bike, you remain cold and you remain wet until you stop. So yeah, I'm hoping it can just get better for us. Look at this weather, taking a turn for the greatest. I don't know. So I've done the old marigold under your glove trick. But we are on the track to the John of Groats signpost. I was just sat there now, splash. Come on, Mark. Well, my hands feel not as wet, and we're on our way to John of Groats. We're going across the top now. So this is kind of nice. We've definitely done, I don't know, we've definitely done the halfway point. So we're leaving Durness now, and you can clearly see the weather is going to be nice. Let's just have a nice ride, feeling much better after that brew. Got petrol, bought some chockies from Cocoa Mountain, and now let's just have a good time. Let's not get wet again. Alright, Scotland, let's not get wet again. I think the big thing to consider is, even though it's what, a 60 mile an hour road, it's, you know, there's a lot of times you got to stop, so you're constantly adding time onto the journey by doing that. So if you ever do plan this route, you know, make sure you've given yourself enough time for all the stopping and starting that you're going to be doing. Because things like that they pop out from like blind corners and you're just like, oh my god, I didn't see you there. I mean, that's a beautiful view. And that is just incredible. That's incredible, isn't it, that? I don't like pulling over in these because if something's coming, we're in way.
Yeah, I know, but there's loads of room here. It's quite a while.
Yeah. It's absolutely incredible. Yeah, I know.
There's no signal here anyway.
No, the fuck. So there was a camper van in front of us. I want to catch up to it. That's the game I'm currently playing with myself. I love nail it up an hill. It's so much fun. But the road just, oh, it's so beautiful, and the weather has turned for the better. Christ, oh, about time. I'm glad, because if I was riding along this and it was just pouring down, I would have just been like, yeah, fuck this, let's just go home. But little spells like this just make it worthwhile. Like, I'm thoroughly enjoying this, even though I'm wet and I'm still a bit cold. I got marigolds on, my hands ain't as cold. This is unbelievable now. Just wish more of the boys would have come. I know they have the reasons why, but when you're here, you'd just be like, yeah, I'm glad I came. Because this, I mean, I'm glad I pushed through the rain, picked myself back up, and now we're doing this. Oh, there's sheep there. Because this is just, it's unbelievable. I don't know what we've just come through, Strathmore or something like that. Sounds like the water, doesn't it, that one? We're starting to see more bikers on this top part of the road though, which is quite nice. One for Mark there. I mean, I could just come up here for, well, just to live, couldn't you? So beautiful.